To enter your MetaMask recovery phrase, start by opening the MetaMask extension in your browser. If you are trying to recover your account, you will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase during the setup process. First, click on the Import using recovery phrase option. You will then be asked to enter your recovery phrase, which is a list of 12 words that were generated when you first set up your MetaMask account. Enter the words in the correct order, separated by spaces. Make sure to double-check the words for accuracy, as entering them incorrectly can result in losing access to your account. Once you have entered all 12 words, click Next and then create a new password for your account. This password will be used to encrypt your account and protect it from unauthorized access. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, as anyone with access to it can gain control of your account. Best practices include storing the phrase in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet, and never sharing it with anyone. After entering your recovery phrase and creating a new password, you will be logged into your MetaMask account. You can then use your account to interact with decentralized applications and manage your cryptocurrency. It is crucial to remember that your recovery phrase is the only way to recover your account if you forget your password or lose access to your account. Therefore, it is vital to keep it safe and secure to avoid losing access to your funds. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely enter your MetaMask recovery phrase and regain access to your account.